One of my absolute favorite things growing up was tennis roll. I always looked forward to eating these whenever my grandma brought them back from Guyana or whenever I went to visit Guyana. So today I decided to make some soft, sweet, buttery tennis roll along with some fresh butter made from scratch. Tennis roll is basically a sweet roll with a hint of citrus, and I just decided to start on my butter first because I needed butter for this recipe. And it's pretty simple to make butter. What you're going to do is get some heavy whipping cream and basically whip the heavy whipping cream until it becomes chunky, and then you're going to squeeze out all of the excess buttermilk, and you can save that later for another recipe like I did. And once that was completed, I went ahead and started on my tennis roll, which was pretty simple. You're just going to need basic ingredients like flour, sugar, lemon zest, water, milk, and vanilla extract. We typically eat these with a thick slice of cheese or a bunch of butter in the middle, so I decided to enjoy mine with some homemade butter that I just made. And if you do decide to make these super buttery, soft Guyanese tennis rolls, you can check out the recipe in my description box. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I do, and I'll see you in the next video.